Hello, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I designed this Happy Independence flyer. So, without no further ado, let's get to our workspace. So, this is the flyer I've already made. That was the previous work I made with this app. So, I'm going to start afresh to show you guys. I'll go to my fresh workspace. That is the default background. Once I tap on this default icon here, so it will take me to this place. Then I'll go to this delete icon and delete this new text icon. Then once I'm done, the next thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to import my background. So I'll achieve that through getting it from my gallery, and by the help of this plus icon here, I'll tap on it, then go to from gallery. Or if I don't want to use this method, I can still go to my shape icon here, this middle icon I'm tapping below here. Then I will go to import. I will go and import my background. So this is the background I'm going to use. This one I'll mark on the good side. So once I'm done, okay, but before that I'm going to crop it. I'll give it a square shape dimension 1:1 ratio. So I'll mark on the good side. Then after I'm done marking on the good side, I will increase the size of this background. I will increase it to cover the whole interface. Then once I'm done, the next thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to lock this background so it will not shift. I'll go to my this thing. I'll go to my panel layer and mark on this padlock button here, this padlock icon. Then I'll tap on the panel again. Can you see it's no longer shifting? So the next thing I'm going to do right now, okay, I'm going to bring in the flyer I designed so that I'll be fast. I don't want this video to be long. So this is the flyer. I'll use it as a guide so you can design fast. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go to my text icon. I'll tap on text icon, go to my edit button, then I'll go and type happy. The H there should be in uppercase. Then I'll mark on the OK sign. Okay, I'll make everything in uppercase. Then I'll mark on my OK sign. I'll bring it here. Can you see what I'm doing? I'll go over to my font. Just watch carefully and pay attention so you get everything. I'll go to my fonts, then I'll go to my Eastman font. I'll search for it. So this is the font. The one I'm using is this one, Eastman Roman Trial. This one, this first one, this one I'm tapping. So I'll mark on the OK sign. Then can you see what I'm doing? Once I'm done, I'll copy this, then edit it and write independence. Everything will be in uppercase. Can you see? So once I'm done doing it this way, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag. I'll tap on this icon here by the left, drag it towards my left hand side, towards my left. I'll leave it this way. This is called font arrangement. So this is the way I choose to arrange my font. Then I'm going to increase the size of this independence. I'll increase the size, then place it like this. Do you see what I'm doing? Then once I'm done doing it this way, the next thing I'm going to do now, if you notice, you see that our design is making sense gradually. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go over to my text icon again, tap on the edit, and I will type Nigeria. I'll mark on the good side, the OK side. Then I will go over to my font again. So I will give this Nigeria a different font that is not from the one in Independence and in Happy. So this is the one. The name of the font is Arm Wrestler. This one came with the default font in this app, so you don't need to install it. So I'll just come here and place it. Okay, one thing about this text stuff, it mustn't be the same font I used in my design. You can use your own font that the font is bold and is clear and it is also readable. So and do this design and it will still be okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do right now is, after putting my text, arranging it this way, then I will go to my text again, then go to edit. I'll type welcome to October. That W should be in capital letter. Welcome to, and also the O in October should be also in capital letter October. Then I will mark on the OK sign here. Then I think I will shift this flyer so it will not be blocking the elements in the interface. So this is the text. I'll reduce it a bit. Then I'll give this one its own font. And the font I'm going to use in this one is this first one. This one, IBZ regular. This first one, I'll mark on the OK. Then I'll put it here. So once I'm done, next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to import our flag. Make sure that you remove the background. I got my resources from Pinterest. The keyword I searched on my search bar, I typed Nigerian independence symbols. So I saw flags, coat of arm and rest of them. So I now choose on flag. So in your own, you type the same thing and look for it. If you have not watched my video on how to get resources for your design, is in my channel. You can go and watch it so you know how to get your resources for your design. So this is my flyer. I've already removed the background. So once you are done downloading your flag, then try to remove the background so it will be in PNG format. So this is my own, already remove the background and is in PNG format. So I'll mark on the good sign. Then I will rotate this flag small like this. This is what I'm doing now. Then reduce the size. I think I will rotate it again. Then reduce the size a bit. Okay, this is okay. Then I'll put it this way. Can you see what I'm doing? So then after doing it this way now, then the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to make sure that all these things I am doing is placed at the center of this flyer. So with the help of my layer panel, watch what I did here. I will go over to this icon, tap on this second one that has something like pencil icon on it. Then I'll select all these elements I brought to this interface. Then go to that edit again. Then go to this one. Then use this icon here and bring it at the center. This is what I did. Then I'll mark on the good side. So can you see now everything is now aligned at the center. But this flag, we need to reduce it a bit, then rotate it to the left hand a bit. So I think this is okay. Then after doing it this way now, the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to bring in, if you look very well at this, wait, let me bring this my flyer on top of the layer. So if you look very well, you see that there is something like another flag, but is in form of map of Nigeria on top of this happy here. So I'm going to import it. I also got the resources from Pinterest and I've already removed the background. So I'll just simply go to my gallery, through my plus icon and from my gallery. So I will bring it in. So this is the stuff here. It's already in PNG form. You remove background form. So this is it. I'll mark on the good side. Then I'll reduce the size of it. I'll I'll leave it this way. I'll use 20. Okay, I'll use 12. That was what I used in the actual design. Then with the help of my relative position, I'll bring it at the center, then mark on the good side. Then once I'm done, then I'm going to give this my happy a lighter green color. So I'll go to my text after highlighting on the happy, then I'll go to my color. Maybe this is the color. In your own, you can just pick the color from my flyer if you want to use my own color and replicate yours. Then the next thing, I'll mark on the good side. Then next thing now I'm going to do, if you look below here, you see that there's something like two um two elongated rectangles that are being crossed together, and also they are slant small, something like this. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this. So I went to my plus icon, go over to my shape, drag with the help of this dot here, I drag it down like this. This is what I'm doing. Then drag this one to be very lengthy like this. Then I'll leave it this way. Then once I'm done, I'll mark on the good side. Then I will copy this shape again. I'll copy it, then come over to this first one. I'll rotate it like this, make it to be somewhere under this welcome to October text. Then this one again, I'll rotate it in the opposite way like this, then put it also like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? I think this is good. So this was how I achieved it. You can do better than me. So in your own, take time and bring out the best in you while doing yours. So this is how I achieved this. So after doing this now, the next thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to highlight on the shapes I brought in. Then I'll go to my color and give it a darker green color. This was the color I used. You can as well pick the color from my own flyer, or you use your your color wheel. I mean this. You can use this with the help of that plus icon. Come here and pick your color wheel, like something darker like this. Then mark on the good side. So in this one, I'm going to use this. So this is the color. Then the next thing I did now is I'll give those shapes, I'll give it stroke. So I'll give it the stroke width of 2, and the stroke color will be white. I'll do the same thing in the second one, stroke width 2, then the color white. Then I'll mark on the good side. Then once I'm done now, the next thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to import these write-ups I placed inside this text now. So by doing this, see how I did this. I went to my text, then go to my edit. I'll delete the new text icon. It's already on my notepad, and I've pasted it in my clipboard. So this is it. So I'll just tap on it. This is the write-up. I'll mark on my OK side. Then I'll reduce it. Can you see what I'm doing? I'll reduce it, drag it this way. Then I will increase the size. You see what I'm doing? I will increase the size. Then after increasing the size this way, I will rotate it. I will first of all come to this first shape here. After highlighting it, then I will go to the rotate icon and check the degree of the angle that it is being rotated to. If you see, this one is at 7 and this one is at 7 also. So I will also use that same degree in my text. I will also use that same degree in my text. So I will also go over to my rotate, then put my own also for the text in 7 degrees. So I will reduce it to 7, -7. No, okay, the other way around. This one is 7, the first one 7. So I will bring it here. Then after doing this, I will also increase the size of this text a little bit, somewhere like this. Then after placing it like this with the help of your finger, then I will copy this same text again, then go over to that rotate icon again. Then this time around it will be -7 because just the opposite direction. So this one will be -7. Then I'll mark on the good side, then I will bring it this way. So watch very well what I will do here. Then after putting it this way now, I will go over to my font, then I'll select the two text, then go over to my font and give it the font I want to use. And this was the font I use, Amaranth Bold. This one is a default font in the app. So I'll mark on the OK, then do the same thing in the second one I copied. I'll go over to my font, then use the same font, Amaranth Bold, then mark on the OK. Then once I'm done like this, I'll go over to my layer panel. I will highlight on this second one under, not under it, this second one that I copied. Then I will drag it to be under the first shape that is on top. This one now. Let me highlight it so you guys will see this one now. So that text will go under it. Do you see it? So that is how I achieve this. Then after doing this now, the next thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to bring in another shape. I'll bring in another shape, then reduce it a bit. I think this size is okay. Then I'll mark on my good side. Then after doing this, I'm going to drag the rectangle a bit like this so that I will get this exact shape in that flyer. So this is okay. I think I will adjust it small. Okay, this is good. So then with the help of my relative position, I'll go over to my shape icon, go here, use this middle icon, this one I'm tapping, to bring it at the center, at the middle here. Then I'll mark on the good side. So after doing this, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce the opacity of this white color on this shape. I'll reduce the opacity so that it will have some touch of the background color where this shape is placed. The background color in this shape, I will leave it at 25. Then I'll mark on the good side. Then after doing this, the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'll put in my brand name, something digital concept. So I'll mark on the good side, the OK side. Then I'll reduce the size of this. I'll reduce the size. Like this. Then I'll go over to my text. This is the text I used. Let's go to font. This is the text font I used. Okay, it's not in the default. So in your own, you can you can implement for it, you get, and you can improvise. But if you don't have it, you can still use another font that is clear in your own. But me, I use this algae here. I love the font, it's clear and the look is appealing. So I'll mark on the OK sign. I think this is it. Yeah. So after doing it this way, then next thing is to start bringing in our icons. I'll start bringing our icons with the help of my plus icon and from gallery. Then from here, I will locate the location where the icons is, the folder I saved it. So I will go over to my downloads. This is the icon here. I'll first of all crop out this Instagram icon, mark on the good side. I'll reduce it, I will keep it, then I will go over to the place again, go back to that same place, then I will crop out the Facebook icon. I'll crop it out, and I'll mark on the good side, then reduce it, keep, then do the last one, the one for the WhatsApp. I'll crop out the WhatsApp one, I'll mark on the good side. So these are the three contact icons I use. So this one is for the WhatsApp. I'll reduce the size. All of them, the size I used for all of them is 5. So I'll go over to relative size. Then I'll leave all of them at 5. Then with the help of my position, I'll place it, I'll position it well. Then I'll mark on the good side. Then coming over to Facebook one, the same thing. I'll use 5. Then with my relative position, with my position icon, then I'll leave it here. Then I will now change the color according to the flyer. Okay, I left it like that. Then in this Instagram own, this was the one I changed the color. I used white in this one. Now mark on the good side. Then I will reduce the size, also 5. I'll mark on the good side. So I will bring it down. Can you see what I'm doing? I will make this Instagram icon here, I will make it to be inside that shape. I reduce the opacity of the color, this one that has my brand name inside. Then I will make sure that both of them are arranged very well inside that shape. Then while these two ones outside here is the one for my WhatsApp and Facebook, so I'm going to put in my details for it. Then I'll move over to my text. So I will put in my WhatsApp number. In your own, you can put yours as well, or any of your contact information. This +234 is Nigerian code. It means that it's a Nigerian phone number. This is in case of those that is calling outside the country. So this is 09131823442. So I'll mark on my OK side, then reduce it. Can you see what I'm doing here? With the help of my relative size again, I think I'll reduce this one. I'll leave this one in 20. Okay, I think 20 is good. Then copy it, then put in my Facebook name. I'm going to use this text like this. I will not add the font. So the name is Somto Emmanuel. Then I will reduce the size of this text. Let me make it so. So I will place it here. Then we can now delete the sample. Then after doing it this way, I think I will bring this Happy Independence Nigeria and this flag. I'll bring it up. So I'll repeat that thing I did. I'll highlight on it. And also the welcome to October text. Then I'll go over to here. So I'm going to bring it up like this. Can you see? And I'll mark on the layer panel to remove it. So that is all about this flyer. Then after designing, you save to gallery by tapping on this save icon here. Then go to save as image. Then go to ultra as the dimension. Then tap on save to gallery. So it's already in our gallery. If you check now, let's go over to our gallery. Can you see? It's in my gallery. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this video to the end. And please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe so you get notified for any other video I will be dropping. Thank you. Peace.